Welcome, in front of me I have ALCATEL 1S 2020 and today I'll show you how you can check your battery temperature. And first you have to open Play Store and download Ampere application. It's from the Brain Trap, so let's install. Let's open. Click Yes, Agree, tap Close, and then tap on the left bottom corner on OK button. When you swipe on the right, you will find the same data but in other theme, and the maximum capacity of your battery you can find in this place. Here you can also check other things. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.